What I realize is when it comes down to getting an office, you have to have like an environment that your team also enjoys, right? It has to be an environment that inspires people. The thing about these offices, they make you sign 3 to 5 year leases, okay? So, and it's not like an apartment where you can buy out. Like, you know how like apartments allow you 4 or 5 months, if you pay them, you can get out of apartments. And I have experience doing that because I had like 3, 4 apartments at the same time, which is stupid. So I know how to do that. I'm happy they have that clause because if they didn't, I would be screwed. Unfortunately, offices don't allow that. With office leases, you can sublease it, but good luck finding a tenant. It takes so long to find a tenant to sublease, right? And so I realized if I'm gonna find a spot, I have to push myself out of my comfort zone, get a little bit more expensive of a spot, but it has a view, like we're on the 11th floor, we have a view, everything. That inspires people. I mean, when you walk into our office, you literally just have the view. It just opens up and it's open concept. I love that because I feel like the view always inspires people, you know what I mean? Because you feel like you can see everything. You feel like the world is yours, you know? And so, yeah, I'm on purposely trying to do that because I worked for other YouTubers that didn't have the greatest office because they started small, right? And it's just, everyone in the office kind of felt low energy because there was no natural light. So like for me, having an office is key if you want to have a good environment.